Today, I'm showing you how Lexium is once again manipulating the Trustpilot algorithm. This is a perfect example of how weak and unreliable Trustpilot's detection system is, and why scammers survive even after being reported to domain providers. Let's look at the 4 different Lexium platforms. Different domains, different stars, but the same scam, the same registration address, the same fake trading platform, and the same people behind it. First, Lexium. Trustpilot blacked out. On the left side, you see the original Lexium profile. Trustpilot finally blocked reviews for suspicious activity. There are no stars anymore. You would think this means the scam is over, but scammers don't stop that easily. Second Lexium. Lexium with 4.2 stars. On the top right, you see what looks like the same Lexium. Same name, same layout, same scam. But look closer. The domain is slightly different, maybe .com versus .co, maybe one extra word, or a small variation. This small domain change is enough to bypass Trustpilot's algorithm completely. Trustpilot treats it as a brand new company, even though the scammers are the same. Third, Lexium. Lexium Ltd. On the lower left, here is another version, Lexium Ltd. Trustpilot again shows no reviews available due to suspicious activity. So what did the scammers do next? They simply created another variation. Fourth, Lexium. Lexium Limited with 4.0 stars. Here you see the fourth platform, Lexium, spelled out in full. This one magically has 4.0 stars. Why? Because Trustpilot's algorithm is too weak to recognize. Same business, same registration address, same website structure, same scam platform, same group behind it. Just because the name is slightly adjusted, Ltd versus Limited, Trustpilot thinks it's a new, legitimate business. This is how scammers survive on Trustpilot. One homepage gets shut down, another one opens immediately. Trustpilot cares only about reviews, not about the real company behind the domain. And because of that, Trustpilot has become a paradise for scammers, giving them fresh profiles, fresh stars, and a second life every time they get exposed. Now, look at this part carefully. All 4 Lexium platforms, even with different domain names, use the exact same registration address, 601 Union Street, Seattle, Washington State. Same address, same location, same scam. Then look at the support email addresses. They are almost identical. Only minimal changes, one letter added or removed, or a slightly different domain extension, but everything else is the same. This is direct proof that these platforms belong to the same scam organization, and Trustpilot still treats each one as a separate, legitimate business. This is another example of how weak the Trustpilot algorithm is. Their platform has become a scammer's paradise and a trap for new investors who trust those fake stars. It's shameful. Trustpilot is supposed to protect consumers, but instead they are supporting a global scam operation by allowing Lexium and their entire operation group to reopen again and again under slightly different names. Shame on Trustpilot for enabling this. Now let's move to the Visit Website section. We start from the top left corner. When you click Visit Website, the Lexium homepage opens. But look closely at the domain in the address bar. You will see slightly different domain names, different endings like .com, .co, or a minor variation. But the homepage itself? Exactly the same. Now let's move to the second Lexium on the top right. Same thing. The website opens perfectly, and again, the homepage layout is identical, even though the domain is slightly different. Now we visit the third Lexium, lower left. This one is disabled by the domain provider. The homepage is shut down. Make sure to stay tuned, like and subscribe, because in the next video, I will reveal exactly which domain provider disabled it and why. Finally, let's check the fourth Lexium Limited with 4.0 stars on Trustpilot. We click Visit Website, and guess what? Again, the website layout is exactly the same as the first 3. The only difference is different domain providers, different domain names, different Trustpilot profiles, But the websites themselves? Identical. Same homepage style, same Get Started button, same market chart animation, same template, copied and pasted. This proves that all these platforms come from the same scam network, simply rotating domains to stay alive. Now we go to the Whois lookup website. For anyone who doesn't know, Who is a public tool that allows you to check who registered a domain, when it was created, and which company is hosting it. We use Whois for one simple reason. Scammers can change their domain names, but they cannot easily hide their registration patterns. Whois helps us expose same registration dates, same hidden registrars, same fake privacy shields, same contact address, same pattern of newly created domains. All these details prove whether multiple websites are connected to the same organization, even when they try to hide behind new domain names. That's why Whois Lookup is one of the most powerful tools to uncover scam networks like Lexium. Now let's break down the Whois records from all 4 Lexium domains. We will go in order: top left corner, top right corner, bottom left corner, bottom right corner. Each of these domains looks different on Trustpilot, but Whois reveals that they are all part of the same scam network. Top left corner, LexiumUnlimited.com. This is the first variation of Lexium. The scammers simply added the word unlimited to look like a different company. Registrar, look on red underline. Two Cows Domains. This means the domain is registered through Two Cows, a large domain provider often abused by scam platforms. Abuse Contact, marked red underline. This is the official email where scam reports should be sent. Dates, marked red underline. Created 2025 May 22, updated 2025 July 04. Age 178 days old. This shows the domain is new, typical of scam platforms that frequently rotate domains. Name servers is a Cloudflare name servers. Scammers hide behind Cloudflare for protection. Top right corner. Domain name is alexiumllt.co. Here, the scammers changed only the domain ending to .co. Same brand, different extension, but Trustpilot treats it as a completely new company. Registrar, marked red underline. Name Silo, LLC, another registrar known to host many scam domains. Abuse email, marked red underline. Same pattern, a generic abuse address used to take reports. Dates, marked red underline. Created 2025 June 26. Updated 2025 November 15. Age 143 days old. Again, recently created, another fresh domain used to avoid detection. Name servers, Cloudflare again, same hosting pattern. 3. Third bottom left corner, LexiumLTD.com. Same LTD name as the .co version, but now using .com. Why this matters? The scammers intentionally create small domain variations so Trustpilot cannot link them together. Registrar marked red underline. Internet Domain Service, BS Corp. A registrar located offshore, commonly used by fraud operations. Abuse Contact marked red underline. Another typical abuse email for reporting fraudulent domains. Created 2025 June 25. Age 144 days old. Again, a freshly created domain, consistent with scam activity. Registrar status, client transfer prohibited. This is a standard setting scammers use to prevent losing the domain when reported. Fourth, bottom right corner, LexiumLimited.Ltd.com. This is the newest and most desperate domain variation. They repeated limited plus LTD to try to bypass Trustpilot and look like a new organization. Registrar marked red underline. Hostinger operations, UAB. Hostinger is another provider whose domains are frequently used by scammers. Abuse email marked red underline. Reports should also be sent here. Hostinger reports. Created 2025 November 7. Age of 9 days old. This is the newest Lexium domain, created only days ago. Proof that the scammers are continuously recreating Lexium under new names. Registrar status, client transfer prohibited. Again, the same pattern. Summary. What this who is data proves. All 4 domains registered in 2025. Scammers rotate domains regularly, typical behavior of a fake trading platform. Use different registrars, 2cows, NameSilo, Internet.bs, Hostinger. This strategy helps them stay alive even when one domain gets shut down. Same style, same homepage, same registration address. All connected to 601 Union Street, Seattle, WA, pretending to be a real corporate office. Similar support emails. Small variations, but same scam group. Same hosting pattern, Cloudflare, used to hide real server locations. Very young domains. From 9 days old to 178 days old, another major red flag. Continuation. Registration, all roads lead to the same scam platform. Now we go to the Get Started button on all 3 Lexium platforms. No matter which Lexium website you choose, Lexium Unlimited, Lexium LTD, Lexium Limited LTD, when you click Get Started, all of them redirect you to the same exact registration page. This is the strongest proof that all these websites are controlled by one operation, one backend, one scam network. Different domains on Trustpilot, same destination, reality. How the registration works and why it exposes the scam. Once you land on the registration page, we immediately see another major red flag. The registration accepts anything. Absolutely no verification at all. You can type fake email address with random letters, no real domain, no working mailbox, no proper phone number, mixed characters, a random country, and the platform accepts it without any error. Registration example, Austria. This is not even a real email format, but the system accepts it. A random number, also accepted. Registration example, Iraq again, not a real email, still accepted. Phone, random digits, accepted. Registration example, Zimbabwe. Email, completely impossible email, accepted. Phone, random digits, accepted. Why this is important. A legitimate financial trading platform must require. Security checks, Lexium requires nothing. This proves the platform is not regulated, not licensed, and not compliant with any financial laws. This is exactly how scam platforms work. Instant fake accounts allowed. They want people to sign up as fast as possible so their representatives can call, pressure them, and start taking money. This registration section exposes everything. Different Lexium websites, different Trustpilot profiles, different domain names. But all of them direct you to the same platform, the same backend, the same database. This is the heart of their scam operation. Trustpilot allows them to hide behind multiple profiles. But who is, registration behavior, and identical URLs expose the truth. Continuation. UnionTrade uses the same scam platform as Lexium. Now we go to the final step of this investigation. To prove that this is not only about Lexium, I tested another so-called platform called UnionTrade. Different name, different domain, different marketing, but the moment you try to create an account, everything becomes clear. Registration, UnionTrade versus Lexium, identical system. Both platforms accept any random garbage information and create an account instantly. This is a criminal onboarding system designed to collect victims fast and send them to a call center.